ownership, the owners of the LLC are known as members. They're known as members, not shareholders, members. By default, the members have an equal ownership, but generally there's an operating agreement in place that allocates a specific percentage of the business. In most states, they use something called membership units that are similar to, as you would say, a stock share. And they allocate these number of units to each member of the LLC in respect to their percentage of ownership. And that's their level of ownership. Now, what's unique about the LLC is control. The members can make one of two elections for the LLC. You can elect to be more like a partnership and be member managed. That means any member of the LLC manages or is entitled to managing the LLC as if they were a general partner in a partnership. Okay, so they have complete control, the complete ability to bind the business, decision-making authority, etc. Okay, so very similar to a general partnership. On the other hand, those members can elect to be manager managed. And if you're a manager managed LLC, you elect or appoint or hire managers to manage the LLC on behalf of the owners. This cuts off the ability of the members to act on behalf of the business. So they're not like general partners anymore. Now they're more like shareholders of a corporation who don't act on behalf of the business. You hired someone specifically to run the business. Now, in most cases, the individuals that act on behalf of the business are member managers. That is, you've got an LLC with 10 members and you elect to be manager managed. You may hire someone outside, or you may hire 2 or 3 of the members to act as managers, and they would run the daily affairs of the LLC. So that's a very important thing to understand, whether it's a member managed or manager managed, because you will want third parties to understand this or know this. So the members who are not managers cannot act on behalf of the business, and it's not reasonable for third parties to believe that these members can act on behalf of and bind the LLC in contract or subject to liability and tort. Okay, so next would be personal liability. The limited liability company is basically a separate entity from the members. So each member of a limited liability company has complete protection of their personal assets from liability for business liability. So if someone sues the business in contract or tort, or the business creates a debt in contract and creditors look to the business to satisfy that debt or liability,